Well, treasuries are a huge bubble right now. When it moves, or when it decides to,
may not be tomorrow, may not be next.
May not be tomorrow.
Next
but you know
month.
what? If I was long treasuries right now, I'd certainly be scaling
exactly.
them out.
You've had
the
the
risk
move.
reward.
The
thing that worries me though is if the Fed is in there buying treasuries, who knows? They could take them to 1.5%. I mean, they have unlimited buying power.
And again, this is the risk.
That's the risk of the trade.
Know your risk.
Is that you are fighting the Fed if they are in the market buying treasuries.
And we talked about this off camera, but we mentioned that in England they announced this week that they're considering giving a 2-year holiday to all
Bring it on.
mortgage holders.
I love it.
And I suggested that will be what's going to happen next. That's the Fed's next move. That's the Treasury's next move. I think it's possible.
Well, they'll take the mortgage rates to 4.5%. That'll get through Congress like
That's
super
kind
fast.
of a no-brainer, yeah.
But I think the next thing is to suggest
mortgage moratorium. If things get any worse, I mean, you get 15, 20%.
You'd have to. Otherwise, you're literally going to have jobs falling.
You're going to have
further.
another Great Depression. So,
Yes.
But I want to go back and, you are fighting the Fed on this, but at some point you still have to look at it as your risk reward. If you've had these 20-25% gains in treasuries over the last
month.
Yeah, I mean last
at least.
month. Eventually, you got to take money off the table.
Well, I think also you look at if you're owning 3-month treasury bills that are paying you nothing right now, and you can go buy preferred shares that are paying you 25-30% to own them right now.
Yeah.
I mean, you got to look at that the disparity there. There's opportunities to buy risk assets.
Yeah,
I mean, if you do your homework, and get out of these supposedly riskless treasuries because they have huge risk. If rates go up, you're going to lose a lot of money.
Right.
So.
Okay, guys, we're coming to an end here of Fantasy Finance real quick. We're at the end of that football season. I want your national champ pick.
I'm picking Florida. Florida,
BCS
Alabama
is coming out.
Florida, Alabama tomorrow. I got to go Florida.
Championship game.
Yeah.
Is that Florida your team to win the whole thing?
Florida's going to win the whole thing.
Dave, what do you have?
I don't follow college football, so I'll go with Jesse. Florida.
All right, I'm going to stick with the team I picked in week 3, Bama, to win it all.
Bama. So
Bama
we're going to get together, watch the game tomorrow.
We'll watch it tomorrow.
that will decide.
Roll Tide, roll.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's all the time we have for this show. Remember, you can send us questions. We'll answer them on the air, questions@thetradingdesk.net. And if you are a local business owner or interested in local finance, that sort of thing, and would like to talk to us about your business and what you think about the local economy, we'd love to hear from you and perhaps interview you on the air. But that's all the time we have, and until next time, stay classy, Central Oregon.